Welcome back to the channel and the yard. We're gonna take the fender off this thing today, the driver's side fender, okay? We're gonna take this one off. So this might be like a how-to video, guys. I don't know however I do it, but this is what we gotta do. We gotta take this thing off today, and these things, they're not as simple as taking off like a regular car fender. These things are a little bit more rougher, you know. It's more screws and it's more heavy duty because, you know, it's a Suburban. So I mean, well, it's an Escalade, but it's might as well call it Suburban. I got it. Some of these screws are loose, but we got a lot more to go. I'm pretty sure I won't be getting this done in one take, 20 minutes. I doubt it, really doubt it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with these two screws down in here. I'm gonna start those. I got my here. I see this is going to be rough, guys. I knew it. Yeah. These are a lot more rougher than a regular car fender. We're gonna take this thing off and try to see if we can bend it back straight, because these things are expensive. These fenders are very expensive. So we're gonna try our best to repair these. I'm gonna try our best to do that. I really doubt this is gonna happen in 20 minutes. Hell, I might get 3 screws loose in 20 minutes. So we'll see. Let's keep going though. Got that one screw loose. Stupid. This is going to be a disaster video already. I can tell. It's going to be a disaster, guys. This is going to take. This might take me an hour or so. Might have to break it down, do a lot of cutting. Because I'm sure I'm not going to get this done in one video. I got those loose good. I'm not going to take them off just yet. I'll take them off when I got all of them loose. Let's see what's next. Okay. And the ones up under here need to come off. Okay. There's some up under here that needs to come off. These two. Oh, wait, do I got any picture? Kind of dark under here. Yeah, these two. Gotta get these two off. Okay. Let's do that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we're getting these two off, okay? These two. Well, we're gonna loosen them. Okay, got that one loose. Okay. Okay, that one. And I don't think, I'm pretty sure these two. This one and this one. Gotta get those out. Hopefully the same size. I can tell right now they're not. These are a little bit bigger. Okay. Oh boy. Not good. I think that was the right size. Isn't it? Was the right size? Something just wasn't right. Yeah, there we go. Was the right size. Hopefully. Let's see. All these screws. Ow. Oh God. All these screws. Yeah, these are screws. This ain't good. Lord. Lord. Gotta get some WD-40. Where did I put my WD-40? Let's see. Let's look at these things. Yeah, those are screws. Oh, Lord. Feel like I'm gonna bust some knuckles. I need to get something. Man, we are already deep in. I gotta go get my jack handle so I can, my red jack handle so I can put it over this thing and see if I can pop it. If I can't pop it, then I'm gonna strip it. I don't know where I put my red jacket. Oh, walls. Can't stand these walls. And the chicks. Yellow jacket, whatever it is. Alright guys, I don't know. Where I put my jack handle. Guess I just missed it in the truck. I gotta have it. Gotta have it. See if I can make it happen with this. With this handle. Hopefully I don't cut myself. This can go around that head. We in luck, guys. We in luck. Got it to go around that head, so let's try to pull it. See. Guess it worked. Problem is how I'm gonna get it off that screw because the screw is stuck. Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's work with this. See if we can get that off the screw head. Let's just take it on off. Get a screwdriver and then I can pop it out. Pretty sure it's stripped. Pretty sure it's turning. But if it keeps turning and don't come off, I know it's stripped. I think it's... I don't think that's coming off of there. Nah, that ain't coming off of there. There's something else going on. Thought it was broke from the inside. Inside of that thing. Screw is not coming off. Not coming off. Okay. Okay, now these two screws back here. Let's see. And that's also got the hood on it, man. Lord, I don't wanna do that right now. That one got the hood tied to it. That's gonna have to be one of the last ones. Okay, let's see. Well, that's the battery tray. And that can come up with the fender. This battery tray can come up with the fender, I think. Yeah. I think the battery tray can come up with the fender, but I'm not sure, so we might have to take this battery tray off, which I really hate to do because it seems like it might be a waste of time to do so, but but I might have to. Okay. What we're gonna do with those other ones that's not turning. We might have to take this back, get this thing right here up, this box somehow, figure out how to get up under it, get up in there and pull all the wires out of it. That's probably the way you gotta do it anyway. I probably gotta do it from the inside. And those look like screws that you can unscrew, but they probably not. Probably can leave that like that if I really wanted to and not worry about pulling them off, because now they will certainly come off. It'll certainly come off with the tray. Yeah. It will certainly come off with the tray. Alright guys, our 20 minutes is already about up. I gotta say the spill. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Yard 2. We're not finished. We'll be back again. Come here.